Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of essential oils? Welcome to the intriguing world of essential oils, a place where nature's bounty meets human ingenuity. These concentrated plant extracts have a long, storied history, tracing back to ancient civilizations. From the Egyptians who used them for spiritual rituals, to the Greeks who valued their medicinal properties, essential oils have stood the test of time. Fast forward to today, and they've become a cornerstone of the wellness culture. You'll find them in spas, health stores, and even in our homes, thanks to their wide-ranging potential benefits. Whether it's lavender for relaxation, peppermint for mental clarity, or eucalyptus for respiratory health, there seems to be an essential oil for every need. But it's not all roses, or rose oil for that matter. It's important to know how to select and use these potent extracts safely. So, let's dive deeper to understand how these natural extracts can potentially boost our health. Essential oils are more than just fragrant. They pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Now, let's dive into the intriguing world of these powerful potions. Essential oils are known for their ability to improve mood. They are not just pleasant to the olfactory senses, but they also interact with the brain's limbic system, which is involved in emotion, behavior, motivation, and long-term memory. This interaction can create a positive impact on your mood, making you feel more uplifted, relaxed, or invigorated, depending on the type of oil you choose. They are also remarkable sleep aids. Some essential oils, such as lavender and chamomile, have properties that can promote a good night's rest. The aroma of these oils can help create a calming environment conducive to sleep. This can be particularly beneficial for those who struggle with insomnia or have a hard time winding down at the end of the day. One of the most celebrated benefits of essential oils is their ability to relieve stress. In today's fast-paced world, stress is an unwelcome but often unavoidable visitor. Essential oils like ylang-ylang, bergamot, and frankincense can combat stress, providing a natural and holistic approach to well-being. Now, you might be wondering, how much of this is backed by science? Well, a growing body of research is indeed supporting these benefits. Numerous studies have shown the positive effects of essential oils on mood, sleep, and stress levels. However, it's important to note that while promising, this research is still in its early stages, and more studies are needed to fully understand the mechanisms at play. In essence, essential oils are a treasure trove of health benefits. From mood enhancement and sleep aid to stress relief, they offer a natural and holistic approach to wellness. The key lies in their unique properties and how we use them. So next time you catch a whiff of that pleasant lavender or invigorating peppermint, remember there's more to it than just a pleasant scent. It's a powerful health ally, waiting to enhance your well-being. The key lies in their unique properties and how we use them. Aromatherapy, the therapeutic use of essential oils, has been gaining popularity. But how does it work? When we inhale the aroma of an essential oil, the scent molecules travel from the olfactory nerves directly to the brain and impact the amygdala, the emotional center of the brain. This connection explains why smell can trigger intense memories and emotions. Essential oils can also be absorbed through the skin, where they travel through the bloodstream and can promote whole-body healing. They are used for a variety of physical and emotional applications, including pain management, mood enhancement, and increased cognitive function. There are a variety of essential oils commonly used in aromatherapy, each with unique healing properties. For instance, lavender is renowned for its calming effects, ideal for stress relief and promoting restful sleep. Eucalyptus is a powerful decongestant, making it a go-to for respiratory issues. Peppermint, on the other hand, is a natural energy booster and can enhance mental alertness. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Essential oils can also have profound effects on our emotional well-being. Citrus oils like lemon and grapefruit are known to uplift the mood and fend off depression. Rose oil can help soothe a broken heart, while frankincense is often used to deepen meditation and spiritual connection. Aromatherapy can be a powerful tool to elevate our well-being. So why not explore these natural wonders and find out how they can enhance your health and happiness? With so many options available, choosing quality essential oils may seem daunting. But fear not, With a little knowledge and a keen eye, you can easily navigate this fragrant world. The first thing to understand is that not all essential oils are created equal. The quality of an oil can significantly impact its effectiveness and potential benefits. So how can you ensure you're choosing the best? Here are some tips to guide you. Firstly, get to know your labels. Quality essential oils will often have the plant's botanical name listed on the label. This might sound like a mouthful, but it's an essential clue to the oil's authenticity. For example, if you're buying lavender oil, the label should read Lavandula angustifolia. If it doesn't, you might want to reconsider your choice. Next, watch out for words like fragrance or perfume. These are red flags that the oil might contain synthetic ingredients. True essential oils are derived from plants and should not contain any artificial fragrances. Also, consider the packaging. Quality essential oils are typically sold in dark-colored glass bottles to protect them from light, which can degrade the oil over time. If the oil is in a clear or plastic bottle, it's likely not of high quality. Price is another important factor. Producing a single bottle of essential oil requires a large amount of plant material, which makes the process costly. If the price seems too good to be true, it probably is. And finally, trust your senses. A quality essential oil should have a rich, full-bodied aroma. If the scent seems weak or artificial, it's likely not pure. Remember, choosing the right essential oil isn't just about picking the one with the prettiest label or the most enticing scent. It's about understanding what goes into making that oil and ensuring it's of the highest quality. Remember, quality matters when it comes to reaping the full benefits of essential oils. Certain essential oils stand out for their wide-ranging benefits. And today we're going to dive into some of the most impactful ones that have carved a niche for themselves in the world of health and wellness. Firstly, let's talk about lavender. Revered for its calming properties, lavender oil is a popular choice for those seeking relaxation. It's often used in aromatherapy to promote a sense of tranquility and peace. Whether you've had a long day at work or you're simply looking for a serene ambiance, a few drops of lavender oil can do the trick. Next on our list is peppermint oil. Known for its invigorating aroma, peppermint oil is widely used to boost energy levels. It's like a cup of coffee, but without the caffeine. Just a whiff of this oil can help clear the mind and rejuvenate your senses. It's also been known to aid digestion, making it a versatile addition to your essential oil collection. Now let's move on to eucalyptus oil. This oil is synonymous with respiratory health. It's often used in steam inhalation to clear blocked nasal passages and ease breathing. Eucalyptus oil is also a favorite in massage therapy, known to soothe muscles and alleviate tension. But remember, while these oils offer numerous benefits, they are powerful substances. Always use them with care and in moderation. Dilute them with a carrier oil before topical application to avoid skin irritation. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a medical condition, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating essential oils into your routine. So there you have it. Lavender for relaxation, peppermint for energy, and eucalyptus for respiratory health. Each of these oils has unique properties that can enhance your well-being in different ways. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other essential oils out there, each with their own set of benefits. These oils can be a great starting point for your essential oil journey. Explore, experiment, and find the ones that resonate with you. Happy oiling. So, we've learned quite a bit about the fascinating world of essential oils. As we've journeyed through this aromatic landscape, we've discovered that these precious liquids offer a myriad of health benefits, from boosting mental clarity and reducing stress to enhancing our mood and even supporting our immune system. Essential oils are nature's gift to our well-being. We also delved into the therapeutic world of aromatherapy, where the captivating scents of essential oils are more than just pleasant aromas. They are potent agents capable of triggering positive physiological and psychological responses, helping us to achieve a sense of balance and harmony. And of course, we can't forget the importance of selecting quality oils. Remember to look for pure organic and properly distilled oils. The label should clearly state the botanical name of the plant, and the bottle should be dark to protect the oil from light damage. These are just a few of the hallmarks of a good quality essential oil. We also explored some of the most impactful essential oils out there. Lavender for its calming properties, peppermint for its invigorating effects, and frankincense for its ability to promote tranquility. These are just a few examples, but the world of essential oils is vast and diverse, each with its unique benefits. With the right knowledge and careful selection, essential oils can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine.